welcome to the mix. And on the mix, here is the answer. Now, you have to go ahead over to this video to check out what is going on here. It's a reply. As we know, there's a lot of controversy, a lot of different sagas going on YouTube now. So go ahead and run and catch the video to see what's going on. Have a wonderful day.
TT full up of money and style and fashion. Yes, my dear. Yeah, man, I saw you to beat them. I don't have the time for locals. Me tell you already, Me tell you already say. Anyone in court then and try to cuss me. Me I cuss them back. A word for word. Me not back down from them. But when New Year come, me not see them. But from now until New Year, me I cuss them back. You see the one that me not cuss? That's me say me not count them. Me already done trample them already. Me not raise them back from me dead. So them could have called my name until tomorrow morning. Me not see them. You understand? But this a little tough turbit here. The only reason why she cuss me off and hitch and come itch and back pa me come pa me grass and cut me lawn with her landscaping self is just because she saw me and Dwayne page. It trigger off. And Dwayne she a care body grudge for. Cause she want Dwayne body and can't get it. That's what she want. And Dwayne she a care body grudge for. So she can't get Dwayne little change no more. That's why. So no nothing else. That is why she start back pa me, because she said me went on his page. That is what the woman come and turn me down for. Me answer you. You think last time when your company come call me room and this and that and whatever, no boast about no house, lady. And make sure you tell the boast about no house, kind of your house. Are your husband house? Are your husband house? So you're lucky. You're lucky. So the wife kick your bucket for you get for going in it. It's not your house. You have to go show how much you invest in it. And lately start invest is your husband place. It's your husband house. Yes, your husband make it too. So when you talk, you must talk. Your pussy get you a foundation. That's all it get you. But you not get you nothing else. Yeah, not that thing you get you. Nothing. All you get is some old furniture. Antique. You get antique body with your crusty pussy. Antique body. Yes, you surely get antique body. Cause you go there with one white man. I say you surely get antique body. Yes, man. You go get some sour sap juice. You never get no trunk back. That is you shoulda get some of the sour sap juice and clean up your skin with dirty so. That you shoulda do. Bright and out of that. Can you imagine? Can you imagine the episode to your man come at about me? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? I go me not tap cussy until New Year's Eve. Me not hack stop you. Me have you up. Me have you up from the last time you come and make a mockery out of me. Put on wig and go on for weeks and weeks. Me not tap done your blood clot until New Year's Eve. Send all your pass them and who want tap. Me not count them and you me depend. Me ride like a blood clot jackass. That you is. Yes. You think so me forget? You think me forget? What you do me? Last year. Where you dip on me back 2 weeks, 1 month straight and ride me. You think so me forget? And because people call me and tell me about Marcia, don't answer you. Me say, when me realize all the people them are 2 more cutlass now. And how them stay. Me say me not answer. Me I can't answer. Cause when me realize all them people are flip-flop and flop-flop, Alright, I said, okay, I'm going to ride your blood clot until New Year's night. Watch me and you. Go take down a piece of whole drapery curtain them where you put up. Then I don't even know how I hold them up. I must have some blood clot clothespin. Because then the thing look like, where my cousin say? But she said she better off than most people in America. But I beg. Ain't he bright? Better off than most people? Cause better off than most people in America way. Yes, that is true, yes, but me not think them have benefit to get. Them have a government to take care of them. Them Jamaican government not take care of she. She might live in a one better concrete house than a lot of people and a little bit more space. But she not better off the people in foreign. Because the people who are poor in a foreign, they can't get food stamp and they can't get housing. Anybody where here and no want help and them no want look help Kemisha. If they're American citizens and whatever, if they don't see themselves in a one little apartment and them don't want it and don't want to make no changes. Because even if them move to a different state that is not clustered, and if them take long to get somewhere, somewhere to stay, them can move to a different state. So the process is easier. So them not have to stay. New York City full. Them can move to Ohio. Them can move to Florida. Florida full up right now. Them can move to Virginia. Them can move to different places and get food stamps. She not have nothing to get. And the people them here is getting free medical treatment. Everything. So she can't better off for the people. And she's sitting across our people. Me no hear said the lady I had who must say when cake season done, them will give her some money. From there so she catch her Trent and come across me off. Better off than nobody way. Eh? Better off than nobody. Where? Which part you better off than nobody? Eh? Where? And cricket a ball her ears at night time. Not cricket now ball of my ears. Eh? What kind of better off she not better nobody? And she don't have a job. Eh? She don't even have a job. She bright. You think she not get her with nothing, my cousin? She not get her with nothing, you know. Because I tell her the people on Facebook because that's what Marcia don't answer her. She want me to answer the blood clot woman. The little jackass can't tough face woman. Damn face tough like in the turkey shell. Eh? Face look like a when pussy mildew. And then she come up here and talk about people. Bright. Can't look on a good up sexy ass woman like me. And bright up herself. Me not stop done her until New Year's Eve. Me not ask you. Me not stop done her. When she come on Facebook every day and done me and go on to them, the people that on Facebook are talk about, only Eric how you could have done her. Done way. I go and done out your blood clot till your damn tear up draws them look like damn jaws crack look like a chow. I don't let me tell you something, you see. let me shut up my little mouth here. Done who? You know how long me I set for your blood clot? Eh? You know how long me I set for you? You know how long me I set for you? Eh? She need 2 pieces of zinc. Exactly. And not 2 pieces of zinc she need. She need 5 pieces of zinc to be the perfect walking shit house. That's what she need. That's what she need. You see how the woman look? Eh? She look like a them crush up toilet paper.